See, slide didn't lock back. See, slide didn't lock back. Slide didn't lock back.
Slide didn't lock back.
Fucking slide. What the shit? Well, it comes down to the design, where if I have my palm here in the normal position, I can block my slide release lever from rising, which kind of sucks. I have to adjust my grip to make the gun work for me. All right, so it's shit. You watch this one-handed shooting. Slide locks back fine. My slide just won't fucking lock back for me. I gotta put my thumb down here where it's not really doing all that much. Locks back without a problem. I don't know how you guys feel about that, you know. So tell me what you guys think about that. Oh, the gun sucks. It's shit, man.